What's up, guys? Arne Giske here from groupsforprofit.com, and I've got some amazing news. My man, Mr. Dan Henry, he helped me hit not only the 10K club, not the 25K club, not just the 50K club. Last month, we crossed 100K in revenue, and this is insane. That used to be like my yearly goal, is to cross that. And in 1 month, we made it happen through a few different revenue streams. So I'm super, super excited to show you guys how I use Dan Henry Education to cross this amazing mark and just blow it out of the water, blow all my expectations, and really set my business up to scale to 7 figures for next year. And I'm super excited to show you guys what we did here. So check it out. So first up, I want to fill you guys in a little bit on the story of how I did this. Well, Black Friday is nuts. I'll tell you that right now. Black Friday is absolutely crazy. It is one of the best money-making opportunities out there, especially if you have a course or another product where you can sell a lot of it all at once. In fact, I got my 50K Club award last year, also in November. So I was able to generate $57,000 with just $1,000 in ad spend by really leveraging what Dan showed me, and also leveraging my Facebook group and my launch strategies as well. So it just created this crazy effect of all this stuff happening. And then 1 year later, I was able to pretty much double that on the spot. So pretty insane. So check this out. So we did this really cool promo where, so I have 2 main offers. I have a course and I have a software product. So we went into Black Friday and we pretty much wanted to do a promotion for both. And we thought, okay, cool, we could do a bundle or we could sell them separately. That could get kind of confusing. So we thought, all right, how about we do the software promotion first and then we can promote the course next. So what we want to look at here is here is all of the software sales for November through the 1st of December. And we did a big push. We did a big promotion using a lot of the stuff Dan shows me in for his ads and his promotion strategies and emails and all that kind of stuff. And that resulted in just shy of 25 grand in sales. And most of that came in the period of about a week. So it was really, really cool. And then of course, you know, there's some more sales coming in as well. So just under 25 grand from the software alone for November. And let's go take a look at the course. So here are the sales for the course for November as well. And we came in at just over 27 grand in cash collected for the course, with another, let's see, I think I pulled up the math here. 14,768 in pay plans. So that comes to a total of just under 42 grand. Let's do the math here. Plus 27,064. 42 grand, just under 42 grand in course sales as well. And we're looking at that, that 25 grand from the software. So let's go ahead and just add that up as well. Plus 2, 4, 4, 5, 1. Nice, not bad, right? All right, so that doesn't really look like a 100K club, does it? Let's keep digging a little bit. So let's hop on over to PayPal. So I also take some payments on PayPal as well. So let's add this up. This was November 1st through December 1st, 9344. All right, there's 75 grand right there, but we're still missing 25 grand. What's going on, Arnie? Well, I got some awesome news for you guys too. So I also offer a service that is directly related to stuff I've learned from Dan, from direct response copy to Facebook ads to some of this promotional marketing. And I offer that service on a commission. So these are all foundational skills I learned from the 30-day agency course, and then I applied them in different places. So I was able to take that and help launch courses for my clients, and also generate, let's see, another $41,273 in commissions for myself. And that is by helping other people make a whole lot more than that. So let's go ahead and add that in. 41,273. All right, so that comes out to a grand total of $116,900 in a 30-day calendar period. That is just insane. You can see we got a couple of the wires here. I don't want to show you guys all my bank info, but there's some big numbers at the bottom there. That's what you really want to see, is some of these wire transfers I have coming in from these clients. I don't take it on Stripe or PayPal or anything. We just go with the wires. So That's how I crossed my first 6-figure month ever in business. And I want to say a shout out to Dan for teaching me how to be a savage marketer, and also got my sold out courses hat on underneath. Helped me out a ton there. And yeah, Dan just helped me so much with all of this stuff, gave me the foundational skills I really needed. I wasn't really making it online until I got into 30-day agency. In fact, I was one of the first like 10 or 20 people in the program way back, and I took those skills and I just stuck with them. And I ended up building community, building products, using all that marketing stuff, all the funnel building stuff, and making a ton of money with it. So it's been amazing to be on this journey. Oh, hey, I got one more hat on underneath too. Got my lead owl hat. As you can see, I'm a fan, and I went to the events. I spoke at the AdCon event. Tons of fun. So I wanted to give a huge shout out to Dan for helping me make this a reality. Never thought this would be possible to, even have a 6-figure business a few years ago, let alone a 6-figure month. So this is, I want to give you guys fuel and excitement and motivation that you can do crazy things. If you are under the 10K mark, cool. Keep reaching, keep going, go hit the 10K mark. If you're past the 10K mark, keep reaching for that next milestone. Yes, it will take time. Yes, it will take energy. Yes, it will take effort, but it will be the most worthwhile thing you ever do. So follow what Dan says, get his courses, follow the path, and put the work in. You'll really love the results. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks again, Dan.